Hey friends, fall is around the bend, so I have created my doctored version of carrot cake. Now I'm partial to Duncan Hines. This is their perfectly moist carrot cake. It is a seasonal item, and I have made it according to my doctored cake mix, which is the cake mix, water, oil, sugar, eggs, sour cream, pudding mix, and for this I added pineapple and carrots that I put in the food processor. I added some allspice, cinnamon, and nutmeg. This cake smells fabulous and it's going to be so moist. I always love to top my Bundt cakes with a glaze. So this is how I'm going to glaze this. But basically, a glaze is simply powdered sugar to which you add a little liquid to get it to consistency, and then you can add flavoring if you like. So I've got the powdered sugar and I've got a cup, and here's my buttermilk. So I'm just going to add vanilla. It's gonna add a little butter. So I've got my cake under parchment. Okay, and as this cools, it will harden. Y'all, this tangy buttermilk glaze with this sweet, spicy carrot cake is going to be just what the doctor ordered for a fall dessert.